I'm about to put you all onto something that can absolutely change your life because it has changed mine. Over the past 20 days, I went from being broke with only $200, $100 to my name, to at this point be generating over $50,000 in the past 20 or so days. This cannot happen in any other space except the meme coin space. Nowhere else can you see what I'm showing you right now. The constant screenshots of money flowing in every single day if it wasn't for the amazing world of meme coins. Now, most of you have actually been in this space for very, very long. And you've lost a crap ton of money. And trust me, so I was down to my last $100. I need you to understand that. After pouring in tens of thousands of dollars into making this work. And what I'm about to show you this video is something that you need to pay attention to if you want to have any chance of getting out of the hole that you're in and making a crap ton of money. I can't promise you the world, but I can promise you an easy method of making $1,000 to $2,000 every single day with the strategy that I'm about to show you. Now, if you haven't been living under a rock, you realize that most of these coins right here, most of the coins on Dex Screener, most of the coins on Photon, every single one that you see, most of these ones on Pump.Fun, they're all rugging coins. Meaning, somebody makes a coin, a token, they get a lot of attention to it, and once they get the most amount of attention to it, they sell all of it, sell all of their shares, and make a lot of money in the process, okay? How does this look like on a graph? I started realizing this because at the beginning, I had the dream of trading meme coins. I had the dream of buying down here and selling up here. It was everything I wanted in my life because I was waiting for that moment where I could buy my mom her dream car. I could buy her whatever she wanted. I wanted that. I needed this. I needed this to work. I needed this to live. But it never came. Every single time I joined here, I sold here, thinking of the promises that everybody made as they made the coin, all the communities I was in telling me this coin was different, and it never truly happened. The fact is that all of these people that you see, they're actually making a lot of money, including myself, are the ones that buy and sell down here, buy down here and sell up here. How did I get to the point? I came to the realization that I was never going to trade my way to making the amount of money that I'm making now. After scrolling and living on Dex Screener, putting 100 types of different filters, trying to find the right token for me, I kept finding the same exact thing. Look here, I clicked on a random token. Guess what happened on this random token? It dumped, right? Somebody made the coin here, sold it here, and sold all of their shares here and made a lot of money. This is probably $100,000 plus right here in one singular trade. I needed to be part of this. I was stuck and tired, and I needed to find out exactly how to do this. Now, the bad part about this was that it was very hard to do back when I started. It was very hard to do. You had to bundle the tokens. You had to, invest a crap ton of money in the very beginning. Find a team, find a community, find traffic, make a lot of social media posts, find traffic, find people that wanted to buy into your coin. Be convincing enough to do it. There was so many variables, and guess what? If you didn't put time and work in, your coin was never going to reach these heights, meaning you were never going to make any money, meaning it was never going to escape this hellhole, and you were basically just going to be working with the money that you yourself put in. As I noticed this, I started doing deeper and deeper research. I realized I started launching my own tokens on Pump.Fun. And I realized, okay, maybe I can do something here. Maybe the gain starts right here. I can start making my own tokens and I could start getting people to buy in and I could start making a ton of money. But what I realized is, again, I was making the tokens and nobody would buy anything at all. It was so funny. I would just watch the chart stay there for hours. But I was on the brink of something new. I was getting to this point right here, but I didn't know what I was doing wrong yet. As I researched further, I realized that most people that were launching on Pump.Fun were in the same place that I was, right? Launching really, really bad tokens with the last dollars that they had, just like I was. The next thing that I did was I realized that most people that are actually on Raydium were the ones that were making a crap ton of money. You see this here, 200,000. So I started thinking, how the hell do I launch a meme coin on Raydium? How can I but skew the odds in my favor and actually achieve this right here? As you can see, this coin itself was released on the Raydium DEX. So I took it upon myself and I realized that I needed a lot of coding knowledge to realize this and to make this possible. But what I did is I started finding different tools. For example, this is one tool called MemeFast. And in this coin, and in this tool, I can actually create my own token, right? I can create my own token here and I can, launch it on Raydium. But the thing was, I was still stuck because as soon as I created a token, I was buying it and selling on Raydium with a lot of volume, but people still weren't buying into me, right? Why? Because I didn't put in the work to collect all the traffic, right? Most of the coins that do well have a lot of traffic. They have some backing behind it. Yay, right? Here, a lot of people are paying attention to Kanye. Patriot, a lot of people paying attention to Trump. So people are buying in. And I failed to realize how exactly to attract this to myself. But as I started getting better, I realized that it was not enough to simply myself find the traffic. The best avenue to take was actually stealing traffic from these projects. As you can see, let's say I take this for example, FAFO, right? Fuck around and find out. This coin right here. If I wanted to get all this attention and do this for myself, I would need to, one, launch on the Raydium DEX, make sure it's that because it hits out in higher market cap. But I would also need to copy the token, right? I would need to copy the token to get people to buy into money. As you can see here, even if I were to search up FAFO right here, guess what? There's millions of tokens doing this. Why is there a lot of tokens doing this? Because of the fact that you're going to capture attention on accident and people are going to buy into your stuff. I mean, you're going to be able to make money with your token. Okay. Now, before you have to do is you have to be extremely fast. You have to find the coin, let's say on Raydium. Okay. Find the coin on Raydium that was doing well. Okay. Which is FAFO right here. You have to go in and now manually do it on Pump.Fun. And guess what? On Pump.Fun, remember, when you find Pump.Fun here, it was still not going to get any buys. So the trick was you had to do it on Raydium and you have to copy the token right away. The cool thing is I can show you guys how I went about doing this and collecting the cash that I did with this very simple tool. Now, this tool right here that I'm about to show you is about to change your whole dynamic. It's about to change your worldview because it's literally going to allow you to print cash instantly, every single day without fail. This is exactly the methodology that I used to get to where I'm now, but keep in that mind, now you can do it with one clip. Before, I had to go in, I had to build a coin on the Raydium DEX manually, okay? Put in all the information myself. By that point, it was too late. I didn't have the ability to capture that attention, okay? Secondly, I was only able to do it on Pump.Fun, okay? I was only able to put my coin on Pump.Fun to get as much traffic as possible because I couldn't do it fast enough. But this combines both of the two together. As you can see here, all of the tokens right here that are the ones that are getting the most attention. And the cool part about it is I don't have to go and manually enter all the information. And I don't have to go and develop the coin and on the Raydium DEX and actually do the coding aspect to it. No. With one singular click, I can create a coin that is on the Raydium DEX, okay? Meaning it's going to hit the higher market caps that we see here, okay? And it's going to get all the attention from the coins that are doing well on Pump.Fun. So you're combining two things. You're combining the believability and the trust aspect of being on the Raydium DEX, and you're combining it with all the eyeballs and attention that come from the coins that are on Pump.Fun. And together, this is what allows you to make $500 to $2,000 a day, okay? Now, let me actually show you how I go about doing this. So using this tool, again, before it was super hard to do, using this tool, I can literally just sit here, I connect my wallet, and refresh the page until I find something that has good enough conviction. This one is perfect. This swastika coin means it's king of the hill on Pump.Fun. So when I refresh here, swastika coin should be near the top, right? If I clear my search history here, and I believe I have to put yay, right? You're gonna find that these coins are at the very top. King of the hill, right here, swastika coin. This is the one that shows up here. As you can see, you can instantly copy it, right? It does charge you a little bit of money, but for the amount of speed that it allows you to put it on the Raydium DEX, okay, and get the same amount of attention, it's literally basically free that you're going to make money. So all I have to do is once I connect my wallet, I find the right coin that has the right backing behind it. I can actually go ahead and look at the Twitter for it as well, right? It goes straight to the Kanye West Twitter, which is good. I see that this coin on Pump.Fun, and I can click the link here, and I see that it's doing extremely well, right? Extremely freaking well. I can literally just go ahead and click this button right here, and with one click, it copies. I just have to put in my wallet information, okay? One click, I click proceed, I click confirm, I click confirm one more time, and my token gets created instantly. Instantly. I now have the same exact coin. Same exact coin. If I want to view the coin, I have to make sure that I click create the liquidity pool, okay? I can put the max amount here. I have to make sure that I put a minimum of 0.3. I recommend putting anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I create the pool, and guess what? Easy as that. I confirm the transaction. I refresh this, and now my coin is going to show up here. I can actually view the coin on Raydium, right? On Photon, where we were before. Now we can see that our coin is on the Raydium DEX, and you see people are instantly starting to buy in because of the attention. You see this right here? People are already starting to snipe the coin, thinking that is this one. Now, all I want to do is once our coin gets enough volume and gets enough sales, I click this button right here, click max, I remove the liquidity, wait a second for it, wait a second for it. Let's see how much money I made here. This one trade, we're at 306. Simple as that. Guys, this is something that you need to implement as fast as possible. I can't guarantee you that you're going to make as much money as I am, but with this tool right here, you're going to become very, very close.